Welcome back Mogverse. Today on Steel Route Files we take an in-depth, no-fluff review of one of the most talked about heavy logistics trucks in service today, the MZKT 500200, a Belarus-built military logistics vehicle that's been gaining attention in 2025 for its robust performance and export interest. We'll dive into how it performs, how it stacks up against similar US military logistics trucks, what it costs, and what this means for modern military logistics. Let's get into it. When we talk about heavy logistics trucks in a military setting, we're not just talking about a big diesel engine and four wheels. We're talking about the backbone of ground operations, the vehicles that carry fuel, ammunition, bridges, radar units, generators, even entire platoons from point A to point B. These trucks need to be powerful, reliable, easy to maintain in austere conditions, and capable of keeping pace with frontline maneuver elements. The MZKT 500200 comes from Minsk Wheel Tractor Plant in Belarus, a manufacturer with decades of experience building heavy tactical vehicles for both military and civilian heavy-haul applications. The MZKT name itself is recognized across Eastern Europe and Asia for sheer capability. In 2025, this truck is being evaluated not just in Eastern Bloc militaries but in global export markets, including interest from U.S. allied nations looking for cost-effective alternatives to Western logistics fleets. Let's start with performance. The MZKT 500200 is powered by a high-torque diesel engine that delivers competitive horsepower and torque figures, designed to move a fully loaded truck and trailer across rugged terrain. In independent testing, its engine provides ample power to handle steep gradients, soft soil, and high payloads without overheating, a critical factor when operating in desert or Arctic environments where temperature extremes can wreak havoc on under-engineered powertrains. In terms of payload, the MZKT 500200 is rated to carry heavy loads, often in the 15 to 20-ton range depending on configuration, and can be adapted for tanker, flatbed, container, or specialized military equipment roles. That modularity is a huge plus. Militaries constantly shift mission requirements, and a logistics platform that can be reconfigured without buying a whole new vehicle saves money and reduces training overhead. Comparing this to US military logistics trucks of similar class, for example, the Heavy Expanded Mobility Tactical Truck (HEMTT) family and the Palletized Loading System (PLS), we see some distinct differences in design philosophy. US vehicles are typically heavier, more armored, and built to integrate with broader battlefield networks. They come with advanced diagnostics, digital communications, and often armored cabs for crew protection against shrapnel or small arms fire. By contrast, the MZKT 500200 prioritizes simplicity and load capacity. It doesn't come standard with crew armor or integrated battlefield management systems, though these can be added. What it does offer is a rugged build with a focus on ease of maintenance. In regions where logistics supply chains for parts are strained, a vehicle that can be kept running with basic shop tools and widely available components has real value. When it comes to mobility, the 8x8 or 6x6 drive configurations available for the MZKT 500200 give it excellent off-road capability. Independent field trials in muddy, rocky, and sandy terrain show that its high ground clearance, centralized tire inflation systems, and differential locks allow it to traverse obstacles with surprising agility for a vehicle of its size. It's not a sports car by any means, but when a logistics truck can follow armored columns through difficult terrain without frequent recovery, that's a win for operational tempo. Fuel efficiency is always a concern with heavy logistics vehicles. The MZKT 500200's engine is designed to deliver a balance between power and economy, but at full payload over rough terrain,